welcome to an unboxing video. Okay, today we've got this awesome TV console that we're going to bring out. It is a combination of wood and metal. I got this shipped over to me. It's available on Amazon for about $289. So we're going to go ahead and unbox this thing and see if we can't get it assembled. We're going to replace this particular console. We're going to lay this out right here. It's quite heavy, so it's about 90 pounds. I would suggest that this is a two-person job. It took me about 3 minutes to unpack the entire box of all the material and hardware. The instructions here are very, very easy to follow. We got our hardware box here. Little red flag to identify the hardware box.